Hi guys, welcome to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great. So for today's video, I am back with my monthly favorites, but this time we are going to mix it a little bit. I'm going to share the products that I regret buying and also the products that I've been loving currently. I feel like I don't talk about the products that I regret buying, and even though like the number is really low, I want to talk about these products and why they haven't worked for me. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, we'll start off with my favorite products and then move on to the products that I absolutely regret buying, because this is sort of a monthly favorites video to begin with. So the first product that I have is a repurchase, and that is my most favorite L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture shampoo. Now I generally repurchase this during the winters because it just makes my hair so soft, so shiny, and so manageable. And I got this huge bottle because it also works for my mom's hair, so the both of us are just sharing this shampoo and it works so beautifully for both of our hairs. Now while buying this product, I was so skeptical because it could be a hit or it could be a miss, but this is a total hit, and that is this Gulab and Glycolic Acid Body Peel by Dr. Sheth. Now this instantly removes your body tan. You can just see the difference as it is. You just have to keep this for about 5 minutes, and I have used this almost, let's say, twice or thrice, and there's a visible difference. And I mean, I didn't expect this product to work this beautifully, but it is a 10 on 10 product. You guys know I recently colored my hair, but I also got it bleached while getting the entire process done. And when you bleach your hair, it tends to get that horrible yellow color over the period of time. So that is why I got this purple shampoo to balance it off. And I've been using this like once in 2 weeks. Now if you think about it, it gets a little expensive, but the color balance that I get after using this shampoo is insane. It just looks like a fresh color and looks so beautiful. If you've seen my everything shower routine, you guys know I love this product, and that is the Chemist at Play Coffee Plus Brown Sugar Body Scrub. Now I have been using this every week for that matter, and ever since like the humidity has gone down, thank god. But yeah, I mean, my skin just tends to get extremely dry, like the snake skin that you get. My skin becomes that dry, and every time that I use this, my skin is baby soft. I just lather it up with a lot of moisturizer after my body scrub step is done, and it just works so nicely. This next product is again my fall go-to product, and that is this perfume from Plum Body Loving. This is the smoked vanilla perfume, and it smells so nice. I mean, if you don't really like the sweet, extremely sweet vanilla fragrance, then you can definitely go for this. This is not very sweet vanilla types, but it smells so beautiful. It actually smells like a very good premium perfume. I think I've spoken about this product in my previous video as well, and that is the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. This has become my go-to, you guys, especially like with the October heat, and if I'm doing my makeup, I just like to dab it on my T-zone and it just looks matte. And besides that, I've been using it as a dry shampoo as well. A 11 on 10 product for sure. Now onto the products that I regret buying, and the first product that I have is from Hyphen. This is the All I Need sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++. Now you guys know I'm a huge fan of the other liquid Hyphen sunscreen that I have, but this, I am so disappointed. So if it gets extremely hot, I just prefer skipping the moisturizer and going straight for the sunscreen. But this is so oily on the skin. I just feel like there's a lot of product on my face, and it just, it blends out really quickly, but the layer that I feel on my face, not a fan. After that, I have these two mini products. So here I have the Forest Essentials hair cleanser. This is the Amla Honey and Mulethi shampoo. This just makes my hair extremely rough and dry. I don't know why, but it just doesn't seem to work for me. And then I also have the hair conditioner. This is impossible to get out of the bottle. Like, I just have to struggle so much to get some product out of the bottle, and it is a conditioner, so you need like a decent amount to just put on my hair. This just doesn't come out. So like, it is a bottle problem, but as a conditioner also, it doesn't like completely beautifully condition my hair for that matter. After that, I have this lip butter from Earth Rhythm. Now this has shea butter, olive oil and castor oil. This is all organic, no doubt, but it just smells and tastes so bad. It actually feels like I'm having castor oil, and I'm not a big fan. Like every time that I've applied this, it just feels like there's castor oil, and castor oil doesn't smell the best, you guys know. But I mean, the fragrance is the only part that I am not a fan of. But other than that, it moisturizes really well. But I would love a lip mask or a lip butter that smells and tastes good as well. After that, I have the Dot and Key eye cream. I loved the retinol version of this, but this I'm not a complete fan, because first the product has just oxidized in the nozzle, and apart from that it hasn't really worked that much for my dark circles. This next product is sort of a controversial product because I loved this product, and when this was launched I was so happy about it, and that is the Maybelline Fit Me tint. I love the coverage, I love how it looks on my skin and everything for that matter, but I used it after a really long time, and there was just liquid coming out of the product. Like the skincare and the foundation bit was just separated, and it was just not mixing whatsoever. I tried to shake it, I tried to apply it with whatever method that was possible, but it was just not happening. This video, I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then you guys know. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All the product links are in the description box like usual, and also pinned in the comment section. And let me know, what do you think of these products? Have you regretted any product that you have bought, and why do you don't like it, and which of these products do you like as well? And I will see you guys in my next video super soon.